Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Amazing, guys, it's just amazing. You know what happened? I did a pineapple smoothie a few days ago. Someone said, Chef Ricardo, why I did this? I didn't even put it on my normal cooking show. I put it on my juice bar channel. So the person requested it. So I say, okay, I'm gonna make it again one more time. But anyway, welcome back in the Chef Ricardo in the kitchen again, guys. We're just gonna make you a nice, lovely, fresh pineapple juice with ginger and all these things. It's going to be amazing. It's an amazing one. So first thing I want to say to you guys that, you know what I mean, I'm just going to put a little bit of water inside of my Ninja blender. First of all, I must say to you, you need a lot of ice. Alright? The ice is very important when you're going to make a nice, lovely one like this one. So make sure you got enough ice inside of it. Very important. So what happened, I remove the skin and cut up my pineapple earlier. I could show you guys how to do that, but you know what I mean, we all know how to cut up a pineapple. Very easy and simple. So that's what I did earlier. So what I'm going to do next is simple. Get about roughly some of the pineapple, and I'm going to put it straight inside of it just like this. So that's the pineapple I'm doing right here, and I'm going to show you. Pineapple really sweet and nice, but you just have to be careful, you know what I mean. You don't want to cut yourself. Nice one. Make sure we have enough pineapple. So roughly about half of a pineapple I'm going to be using. Alright. Then second thing, I'm going to be getting my ginger. What I'm going to do, nice and lovely. That's it. That's it. I don't want to you know what I mean, extra with it. I'm just going to keep it very simple and unique. Alright, let's turn off this one, remove it, and take a good look. Alright. Hold on first, guys. I want to see something. Look a bit nice, but that's not what I'm looking for. That's not what I'm looking for, guys. You know what happened? There is something went wrong. So basically, let's pour it a little bit in my glass right here. It's fine, but I didn't want it to be more icier, but I believe I put less ice. I know, I mean, I should put more ice and a little bit of less water. So that's what you need to do here, guys, when you're gonna make your one at home. All right, but these things do happen sometime. You can put a piece of a fresh mint in it like this, nice and lovely. Keep it simple and also unique. Oh, you know what? Forget about that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. This is just a fresh, nice, lovely pineapple with ginger and lemon drink smoothie ready for summer, guys. I did one the other day on my other YouTube channel, guys, and requested, and I decided to make it. If you're gonna make your one, please use more ice. Very important with the ice. I love you all, and this is Chef Ricardo pineapple fresh juice smoothie. Mwah! Nice and lovely. Let's taste it. It's summer. It's beautiful, nice, tasteable. Please give it a try at home. You will enjoy it. Thank you so much for them on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe and stay tuned. I love you all, and I will